Hey friends, if you wish to import or export saved passwords from Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings and type passwords. Now select open wallet. Now I'll tell you there's something called as Microsoft Wallet and it is a very risky thing. I'll tell you why. So now they have removed that password option in Microsoft Edge and now they've introduced a separate thing called Microsoft Wallet. This has your payment information, means credit card information, passwords and all of your personal information in one place. The problem with this is that this is not a part of your Microsoft Edge browser anymore. It is a part of your Microsoft account, which means it will be visible on every device on which you're logged in using your Microsoft account. So if someone has access to a computer to which you're logged in, they have access to your payment information, they have access to your passwords. They can simply click on show password and view it. Now that is something that I really don't like, but anyway, what can we do about it? So click on passwords, okay, and then click on these three dots here. You can import passwords. Choose the browser from which you wish to import it. Let's say it's Google Chrome. Choose the profile, click on import, and it has imported. Now these passwords would have shown here, the imported ones, but I don't have any passwords saved on Google Chrome. Then click on these three dots here, export password, export. And let's say that I want to create this file on desktop, so simply click on save, okay, and it will create the file here. Now I would open this file because it will show my passwords, but it's an Excel sheet and it has the names of all passwords and everything here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.